Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh Sopari. Hope you are doing great. And today we are diving into a topic that many of you have asked about: making money through affiliate marketing, specifically with the Fiverr affiliate program. Now, you might have heard about people making significant income this way, like one person who's making over thousands of dollars per month in commissions. But there's a lot of misinformation out there and many people are doing it wrong. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the right way to promote your affiliate links and make the most out of this opportunity. And guys, at any time of this video, if you like to check out my favorite strategy to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home, then I request you to please visit the first link, get registered and watch my free masterclass. Just imagine guys, if an ordinary Indian person like me with English as the third language, now who can craft automated systems and make money in US dollars, if I can do it, why can't you follow the exact same strategy and make money for your success? So for more information, as I said, please visit the first link, get registered and watch my free masterclass. And also guys, if you stick to this video till the end, then I'm about to give you a bonus worth $2,488 for absolutely free. So to claim it, I request you to please watch this video till the end. Now, let's get started with today's video. Alright, first things first, let's understand what the Fiverr affiliate program is. Now, head over to Google and just type in Fiverr affiliate program and click on the first results. It should be titled Partnerships and Affiliates. So when you land on this page, scroll a bit down and you'll see the different commission structures. First one is marketplace gigs. Here you earn 25% of the customer's first order and a 10% revenue share from all further orders placed by the customer within the first 12 months. Second one is pro services, and these are top vetted professionals on Fiverr. You earn 70% on the first order and 10% on further orders for the next 12 months. You know, pro services tend to be more expensive, so 70% can be a large sum. And last one, logo maker. This is an AI service. You earn $30 for the first order, no matter the price, and 10% on further orders. So to join as an affiliate, click on the join now button and fill out the required information like your first name, last name and email address. When they ask how you intend to promote your service, you have several options like YouTube, Twitch and social media. Choose the one that fits your plan best. For example, I'll choose like digital marketing, that too into backlinks, because I have a plan for it. So agree to the terms, register and you're an affiliate. And one great thing about this program is that there are no restrictions. You can do this anywhere in the world and it's straightforward to start. Now, once you log in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is what it looks like. Your first step is to head over to marketing tools and then default and deep links. This link are what you will use to promote services. First one is logo maker link. Copy this link to promote AI logo creation. And next is general Fiverr marketplace link. This tracks all purchases made through your link, similar to how Amazon affiliate links work. So if you want to promote a specific service like digital marketing, creating backlinks, find a service you like, click on share this gig, copy the link and then create a deep link in your affiliate dashboard. So after your link is generated, now let's talk about promotional strategies. It's all about connecting people who need services with freelancers who can provide those services. Let's move with example number one, Reddit and Quora. These platforms are gold mines for traffic. For example, Reddit has a subreddit called Backlink SEO where people constantly looking for backlinks. All you need to do is respond to this post with your Fiverr affiliate link. And same goes with Quora. Go and search for backlinks. Okay, you'll be coming across with many questions. Try to answer few with an Fiverr affiliate link into that answer. All right, now let's move with example number two, medium.com. This is a free platform where you can write articles that rank on Google. Write about topics like why backlinks are important for your website and include your affiliate link. People searching for how to improve backlinks might find your article and click your affiliate link. And guys, these 3 strategies are my favorite and I regularly follow this with other affiliate programs too. Alright? And now creating content on social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok is another effective way to promote your affiliate links. And here is how you can do it. First one is contact freelancers. Reach out to freelancers on Fiverr and ask if they can provide any work to promote their services. Like you can ask for customer feedbacks, customer reviews, and ask for before backlinks and after backlinks screenshots. And guys, many will be happy to provide those examples. All right. So once you grab those examples, second thing is you need to post those examples. So use these examples to create engaging posts, show before and after posts, like how customer felt after taking these services, and also you can post the backlink screenshot before and after, for example. So this gives potential customers a taste of what they can get. All right. Finally, consistency is key. None of these methods will bring instant success. You need to be dedicated and consistent, whether it's answering Reddit posts, writing Medium articles, or posting on social media. Aim to stick with it for at least 6 months. That's the only way you'll see significant results. And guys, if you'd like to learn more about how I make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of my home, then I request you to please visit the first link, get registered, and watch my free masterclass. And as promised, there is a special bonus for you. I'm offering a $2,488 bonus for absolutely free to the first 500 members who join my VIP inner circle. So in this community, you'll get access to my affiliate marketing course, valuable resources, and the opportunity to network with like-minded individuals. So I request you to don't miss this opportunity. Take action. You can please visit the second link from the description down below. All right, guys. So there you have it. Those are some effective strategies to promote your affiliate links and make money online. Remember, it takes time and effort, but it can be very rewarding. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further updates. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.